I've received my Bluetooth modules today, and what I intend to do is put this in one of my robots I've made for a steampunk festival. And if I have problems with the robot, I can connect my phone to it, send it the word status, and it gives me back information I need, like an SD card wasn't initialized, or a motor was too hot, or a battery that was too low, something like that. So this is the first thing I've done with it. I've just made a simple test circuit. So I have an Arduino Duo here, a little fan, Bluetooth module. I've downloaded a free app called Bluetooth Terminal in this case, and I'm going to send a 1, and the fan comes on. It's very quiet, but it is indeed on there. Send it 0, switches off, and I get text back, the fan is on, the fan is off. So what's happened is I've sent a number to the Bluetooth module. It communicates with the Arduino via serial link, in this case serial 3. The program interprets this, sends my phone some text back, and also it sends a signal to this MOSFET which switches the fan on or off. So as you can see, this works, so I can extend this quite easily, just add it to a robot or a backpack or anything I want. So the signals on the Bluetooth module, in this case it's a HC-05, they work on 3.3, so that's why I use the Arduino Duo just for convenience. The 5-volt line I've plugged in there, it's got a little regulator on for 3.3. I haven't actually tried it on directly on 3.3 volts, so can't see any point doing that. So yes, this all works quite nicely, so this has got quite a bit of potential there. So yes, a bit of an idea if you wanted to use the same principle on your projects. Anyway, just a short little video. So thank you for watching.